you're going to start off with your x's from your roller coaster, which is x minus 1 times x minus 2, x minus 3, which is the one you bounce, to the second power times x minus 5. Then you're going to figure out part of your amplitude, which is the 100 from the feet from your y. And then you're going to plug in 0 for the x's and do 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 3 to the second power times 0 minus 5. And then you will get negative 1 from negative 1, negative 2, 9, and negative 5 from those. You're going to multiply all of those together. And once you multiply all of those together, you will get negative 90. And then, taking that 90, you're going to put it under that 100 from the beginning for your amplitude, and then you're going to simplify it into 100 over 9, so your amplitude is 100 over 9, negative 10 over 9. Then, take your factor form, and you're going to multiply them all together, which is going to be, you're going to do it piece by piece, which is x minus 1 times x minus 2, which will equal x minus 4 times x minus x to the 4th power minus 2x minus 1x plus 2. And then you're going to do the x minus 3 times x minus 3, which you will get this problem. And then you will FOIL those into each other. And once you do that, your final problem will be x to the 4th minus 9x to the 3rd minus 29x to the 2nd minus 39x plus 18. And then you have to take the x minus 5 from earlier and then fold that into this problem, and then you will get your then standard form, which is x to the 5th minus 14x to the 4th plus 74x to the 3rd minus 184x to the 2nd plus 213 to the x plus minus 90. Then you will take your amplitude and multiply it by each coefficient from your standard form, and then you will get negative 10 over 9 x to the 5th plus 140 x over 9 x to the 4th minus 740 over 9 x to the 3rd plus 1840 over 9 x to the 2nd minus 213 over 9 x plus 909. And then this will be the problem / equation that you will put into a graphing calculator to get your final graph. Now, to check to see if your problem is right, you will use synthetic division. And using synthetic division means you will find all the factors of 90 from your previous standard form, and one of the factors was 1. And the way you know that it is correct is if you get 0 as your final answer, and I use positive 1 for one of the roots. And then for the end behavior is for the graph, which will tell you positive to negative. And for my graph, it was as x is to positive infinity, fx is to positive infinity, as x is to negative, as x approaches negative infinity, fx approaches negative infinity. And that is how you do the math for the Terminator.